Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here with danielprobertson.com. Sorry, the video is a little bit shaky here. This is another one of those quick videos that I'm going to be doing today. I wanted to talk about something. I've been reading the book, The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. And this book has a lot of nuggets of wisdom that can transform your life if you apply them. The whole concept of the book is that simple choices made daily over a long period of time have the power to transform your life. And I want to talk about this because I've made the decision to publish a video onto YouTube every day for at least 120 days. And imagine if you were to do this. Imagine if you were to publish a video on YouTube every day for a year. Now, what do you think would happen after your first video? Probably nothing, right? And you'd probably be uncomfortable with the camera. You probably would have a hard time doing it. You'd probably have a hard time finding the words to say, finding ideas for the video. It'll probably be difficult for you. And after you publish the video, probably nothing is going to happen. You might get some people to see it if you share it on social media, but for the most part, nobody's going to watch that video. What about after you do 10 videos? After you do 30 videos? After you do 100 videos? What sort of transformation will take place in your life once you've done 100 videos? I don't know for sure because I haven't reached my first 100 videos yet, but I'm not expecting major growth in my business or in my life yet once I get to 100 videos. I'm not really expecting much. I don't know what to expect, but I do know this, that if I continue to publish videos, if I continue to do it, and I continue to strive to improve, to get better, and if I continue to keep going, then eventually it's going to pay off. And I don't know when that is. I'm willing to keep going. I'm willing to wait. I'm willing to be patient. And that's really kind of the whole idea of the book, is he gives several examples of where you don't see any tangible results right away, from these small activities that you choose to do every day. You don't see the payoff until you get potentially years down the road, and then you start to see the result, these small, almost imperceptible changes. He gave an example of someone who eats 120 calories less a day and listens to self-development tapes on his way to work and walks 1 or 2,000 more steps per day. And after 6 months, you don't see any noticeable difference. After a year or 2 years, you don't see any noticeable difference. But then after 27 months, I think when he said, is when you start to really see noticeable change from those simple actions taken every day for 27 months. And so I want you to think about this. I want you to think about, if you want to grow a business online and be successful, you have the power to do that, but it's not something that's fast and easy and like this thing that a lot of the fake gurus are going to try to preach to you that it is. It's something that takes consistency, it takes effort, and it takes time. If you can publish 300 videos on YouTube in the next year, or even the next 2 years, if it takes that long to get out 300 videos, if you can do that, then you're going to see something happen as a result of that. And most of that, you're going to see, at first it's going to look something like this. You're not going to see, it'll kind of like do this thing kind of there, like, right? But you're not going to see a whole lot. But then suddenly, at one point, it's going to all of a sudden start taking off. That's what I'm expecting to see on this channel by taking time, by going through, by being patient, and by doing this over and over again. I'm expecting to see that over time, that it's going to take off all of a sudden, and I don't know when that is, but I'm willing to put in that work. So I just wanted to share this with you because the book is powerful. It has some powerful concepts, and I'm excited to keep reading the book and learn more. But definitely check it out, The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. And if you want to learn how to grow a business online with affiliate marketing and build passive income, then check the link down below in the description to learn my #1 recommendation on how to do that. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.